Hi, this is the Micron MC-20 double cylinder fastener attaching machine. So first we have the digital panel. The top half shows the amount of grommets installed in a day and the bottom half shows the pressure. And you can adjust it by pressing the arrows on the side of the screen. This part of the machine shows the air pressure and you can adjust it, but it should be on around 4 to 6 bars. Now, we will install the number 10 plastic grommets. First, you have to place the grommets onto the bottom. As you can see, we've already put a hole onto the fabric, and then we will install the grommets on the middle of the fabric and on top the washers. After pressing the button, it installs a grommet. You can also use the foot pedals and set the grommets for a perfect installation. As you can see, it's been tightly installed and it does not damage the plastic grommets. And the grommets do not fall off the fabric.